channel. For today's video, I'll be unboxing the ROG 3. It's the world's most fastest phone as of today, and as you can see, I got the classic version. It's the Snapdragon 865 Plus with 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gig of storage. If you're in the Philippines, you can get this at XUNDD Philippines. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I would like to shout out to Mr. 𝗪𝗏𝗏, who's been very supportive of my channel. And if all my phones, I buy it from them. So if ever you need phones and you're in the Philippines, they do shipping all around the Philippines. Visit their shop. They sell all the accessories of all the phones. And you won't get disappointed because they have very excellent customer service. So shout out to you, Sir Mike, and thank you, XUNDD Philippines. Okay, so let's get on to it. So right now, let's do the unboxing. So as you can see, I got the classic version. Actually, they come in different versions. They have the elite version, which holds the strict version, which has the Snapdragon 865, and the classic version, which has the Snapdragon 865 Plus. So it depends on your budget, but personally, if you're gonna ask me, I would always go for the 865 Plus for future proofing of your smartphone. So let's see what's inside the box. First, as you can see, the box is different from last year, though it's still a 10-cent edition. So we have the "For Those Who Dare." We have a pouch in here, which comes with a SIM ejector tool that says Republic of Gamers. It already comes with an arrow case. So an arrow case comes free with the box. Comes with some stickers, your manual in Chinese because I got the 10-cent edition, and of course the phone. Put that there for a while. At the bottom, you got your Type-C to Type-C connector. It's a braided cable. You got your Type-C to headphone jack connector, because as you can see, there is no headphone jack on the ROG 3. And of course, your 30-watt fast charging Type-C. So that's all inside the box for now. So let's go to the phone itself. As you can see, it has a triple camera at the back. It has a transparent area here where you can see the cooling system. On the side, it has your side ports, your SIM ejector. This is where you put your SIM card. On the bottom, you only have the Type-C cable. No headphone jack for the ROG 3. On the side port, you have your power, volume rockers, and of course, your air triggers over here and here. On the top, nothing there except for the mic. So as you can see in terms of design, it's a little bit toned down from last year. It's not that loud. Personally, I think it's more classy. It doesn't have to be very loud when you bring it out in public. So let's turn it on. The ROG 3 comes with Android 10 already. So let's start it up. So quick specs. It comes with a Snapdragon 865 Plus, Adreno 650 GPU, I got the 12 gig RAM with 128 gig storage, 64 megapixel camera at the back, 6000 mAh battery, and guess what? It comes with 8K video recording. So in terms of the screen, we'll get to that in a while. So let me just accept all of this, and let's skip everything first. So let's go skip everything, set up air trigger so we can just set that up later. Let's go to the phone itself. As usual, same as the ROG2, it comes with dual front-facing stereo speakers, which is very loud in terms of gaming. So in terms of weight, it's the same as last year's model. So let's just skip everything, setup complete, there. So it greets you with this ROG Elite desperate need you to join the resistance mission immediately. So you can just, let's close it first so that we can skip everything. So it teaches you how to use the navigation, so got it. So this is it. This is the ROG3 10-cent Classic Edition. So since it's 10 cent, you'll be having Chinese apps in this. It comes with a game recommendation. You just have to click on the games to download it. You have your 10-cent news, WeChat, then some other Chinese apps here. Your app store. On your app store, this is where you'll be downloading the Play Store to have Play Store activated in your phone. Watch out for my next video. I'll be doing an instruction video on how to install the Play Store on your ROG phone. So for now, we'll just do an initial quick check on the settings. So this is the settings. It comes with the themes. So you can choose whether classic, the light luminous, same as the ROG2, and the Apex Galactic Armor. You have your wallpapers here. You get to choose from your different wallpapers. So if you're familiar with the ROG2, you won't have a hard time with this because it's actually almost the same. So what's different? Let's check the display. This is where it gets interesting. On the display, as you can see, you can the usual change font style, but the screen goes up to 144 Hz display compared to the ROG2, which only goes into 120. So as you can see, the system lighting is on. So just go down, click on refresh rate, and as you can see, it goes up to 144 Hz display. It also has an auto mode, which automatically adjusts the refresh rate depending on the scenario of your phone. So if you're using 144 Hz and you're using a game that's 60 Hz, it will automatically scale down to a 60 Hz display. You can also force it to 144 Hz display. Also, there's a hidden trick on this. I'll give you a quick teaser. On my next video, I'll show you how to increase the 144 Hz to 160 Hz. So the ROG3 can go as high as 160 Hz. So we'll be doing all the tests on my next video. So as of now, we'll just be doing the initial unboxing. So as you can see, sound is very loud. So everything is working as it should be. let's check out the armory crate. So as you can see, the armory crate is not yet on a global format. It's still on the Chinese ROM format. So watch out for my further videos on how to convert your China ROM into a global ROM again. So I'll be doing videos on that. But even though you're on China ROM, you can, fix everything here. It's almost the same. Though the global ROM has a more customizable armory crate. So you can just do this. You can squeeze it to activate X mode. Let's see if it's air triggers. Let's turn it on. So as soon as I squeeze it, it should, oops, let's go turn it on. There. So long squeeze will activate X mode. So let's turn it on. Long squeeze for X mode, short squeeze, so you can customize this on how you want it. You can put it on the screenshot for a short squeeze, then force level. You can just set it on anything you want. So as you can see, let's take a short squeeze. You got the screenshot over there. And then if you want to make a long squeeze, there. That's how you activate X mode. Long squeeze again, deactivates. So for the camera, as you can see, camera, honestly, based on some users' reviews, it's better than the ROG 2, but not perfect. Bear in mind, you are buying a gaming phone and not a camera phone. So this is more focused on gaming. Though the camera samples on my next video I'll show you is not that bad. It's a little bit soft compared to my OnePlus or my iPhone, but it's okay. It's better than the ROG 2, but not yet perfect. So as you can see, camera is quite fast, very clear. So stay tuned for my next video, and I'll show you how to install Play Store, delete some of the Chinese apps, and how to get the 160Hz display on your ROG 3. So this is just an initial unboxing. I hope you enjoy it, and as usual, stay tuned for my next videos or upcoming videos. So I'll show you how to convert it again all the way to global ROM, and more tips and tricks on how to maximize your phone. So if you're new to my channel, hit the like button. If not, share my video, help me out. And thank you so much for staying tuned and subscribing to my channel. And as usual, you guys are the greatest. And thank you again, XUNDD Philippines. Shout out to Sir Michael Go. If you're in the Philippines, trust me, you would like to visit their shop. They have everything. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll leave the link in the description below how to get in touch with XUNDD. They do shipping all around the Philippines. Very trusted sellers. So thanks guys, and stay tuned. Alright, until next time. Okay, so goodbye.